Understanding To Cross Paths, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to cross paths. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. To cross paths is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. This phrase often implies that the meeting was not planned and it happened purely by coincidence. It's important to note that this phrase can be used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. The phrase, to cross paths, has its roots in the literal sense of crossing the same path or road as someone else. Historically, it refers to times when people would meet unexpectedly while traveling or walking. Today, we use it more broadly to describe any unexpected meeting, regardless of the location. Let's look at some examples to see how to cross paths is used. 1. I crossed paths with my old school friend at the mall. It was such a pleasant surprise. 2. Our paths crossed at a conference last year, and we've been in touch ever since. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe chance encounters in various settings. The phrase can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. For instance, our paths crossed, paths crossing, crossing paths with someone. It's important to use this phrase in the right context. Remember, it is suitable for informal and conversational settings. It's not typically used in formal writing or professional contexts. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, to cross paths. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.